Now that Pumpkinator 2 is almost done, well, it is done, I've taken all the pumpkin. I've just taken, this is my old manure that's been stacked here for a year. I've taken a big bucket full out and I'm putting it, a moment, in this container. Now this is just one of my old compost bags, stabbed a few holes underneath, and that is the one bucketful in there, and I'm going to put spent compost on top of that and mix it with some bloodfish and bone, and I'm going to plant garlic in it. This is what Duncan did, and he had a fantastic crop last year, and let's see how it goes. I'll have a look when it's almost complete. I'm not ready for planting yet, I won't do that until next month, but let's give it a go from there. That's the first one prepared. I've got a second one to do here, which I'll probably do tomorrow. It's just finding the compost, the old compost for it, but I've got other containers that's got pots in it. I might have to utilise those if I want to carry on with this. I want to try and get quite a few in there, enough to grow them all in this method, and yeah, let's see how it goes.